Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Buenos Aires, and you can see where I'm at. I'm at the Jumbo grocery store. Jumbo? I think that's right, Jumbo grocery store. And I want to talk to you about the prices of food in Argentina. I've watched lots of videos, and they say the food and to live here is really cheap. It is absolutely not cheap. Let's go look at the prices together, and you can see exactly what the things cost, and then you can make a comparison if you think it's cheap. Let's do it. So I gotta be sly here, so you can see it says Jumbo up there, and this is a grocery store, so we gotta be cool. So I'm gonna be quiet for a second and get in the door. So you can see the prices for yourself. Apples $2.39. Oranges are fairly cheap. So when you see this is 89 cents essentially. When you see this is $4.69. This one is $2.39. So bell peppers are $2.99, $3.49. Potatoes are $9.99. But then the meats are expensive too. So this meat, this piece of meat right here, whatever that weighs, is $21.94 for that one. And if you look at like steaks, here's the steak price. It's $19.95, and that's quite a bit of steak actually. So it's not like crazy, but that's still expensive. $18.91. If you want a big old steak or whatever this is, it's $20.71. And hamburger. What do you think hamburger should cost? Hamburger. So that's $4.16 for like maybe a half a kilo, maybe. Here's some more steaks. These look like little steaks, and that's $7.99, so $8. How about chicken? You want to see chicken? And chicken is not as bad, but that's so for two breasts. That looks like what you're getting there is two breasts. It's $7. For two little itty bitty tiny breasts, it's $5.40. So that just gives you an idea here. And frozen things are even worse. A little pizza, a cheese pizza is $8.20. If you want ham on that pizza, it's $11.45. If you want the better upgraded kind, it's $11. Or if you want those 12 roast beef, whatever those are, empanadas, that's $30. So let's go down these aisles here and see. So crackers, so for a wad of crackers it's $27, $24, $2.70, $2.45, $2.35. So gummy bears, which are my favorite. Here's gummy bear cola. It's $5.50. Regular bears are $5.05. Sorry. And like a candy bar. How about just a regular candy bar? $2.65. $2.65. $3.30. $3.85. How about just some basic jelly? So here's jelly. It's $10.65, $12.10, $10, $6, $7, $8. You can get really cheap, but these are tiny little jars. I mean, that's nothing. Those are $4.55. So that gives you an idea. What about coffee? Here's coffee, $13, $12.60, $13.10. You can get the cheap kind, which is their kind, and that's $7.70. But they're all expensive. 9, 11, 9, 7, 10, 10, 11. I mean, all the way down. Even tea, if you want to do like a bag of coffee, $9.60. Here's a little itty bitty tiny nothing bag. I mean, that's nothing. That's $5. How about tea? Tea's $1.15. Here's Zen for $5.50, $5.50. Here's regular coffee too. I think that's coffee. I don't know. Let's go this way and see if there's more stuff. But like cookies and stuff. I mean, some of these are pretty cheap. $8, $1.68, $2.55. But it ain't cheap. Okay, how about bread? Everybody has to have bread, right? How much do you think a loaf of bread costs? So this is Oro wheat bread, just regular bread. $7.20. How about some better stuff? $7.20. Oro wheat again. You know, you can get the cheesy bread, but it's pretty hard and pretty for $4. It's crazy. And if you want a cake or something, it's $5. Let's see, what else is there? How about these? How about barbecue sauce? $7.90, $6.20. Mustard, $8. Mustard, $5.70. I mean, nothing is cheap. I mean, it is just silly how much things cost. So, ketchup, a little itty bitty pack. I mean, that's a nothing pack, I think, and it's $1.80. Mayonnaise, $1.20. How about soup? Okay. I mean, they have top ramen here too. So this is a little can of like cup of soup. And there's like, what, 2 of them in there, I think. And it's $2.80. Top ramen for their cheap cheesy brand, $1.05. But for this kind of cup of noodles, $1.65. But for the cup of noodles you're used to in America, $2.90 per each one. You don't get 50 of them in there. Here's popcorn for $1.40. And it's a little itty bitty bag of popcorn. I mean, I don't know, you know, maybe good for 2 poppings. Rice, $3.30. How about sauce? So think about this. Here's some spaghetti sauce. How big is that? That's my hand. That's smaller than. Well, anyway, it's $7.90. And more stuff. Pasta. Pasta's almost $2. This pasta is almost $3. This one's, here's $2.30, $2.95. Crazy, crazy. Spaghetti, same thing. You can see the prices. Let's see, what else is over there? Oops. Yeah, oil. How about virgin olive oil? $2.90, $8.25, $11, and these are small. They're tiny. You know, spices. Okay. So I use curry all the time, and I think I don't know if I bought curry here, but you can see how much things cost. $8, $4, and you can look at the prices and the items. It's just crazy. Olives, $9. How about a can of veg oil? $1.10. Yeah. Huh. Let's go down this other aisle. Okay, let's look at stuff. I don't know. I don't even know what this is. But like shaving cream, deodorant, $3.30. Which isn't unreasonable in America, but a little tiny can of Pantene. You can see the Pantene and the, it's $4.70. How about toothpaste? You want a little, here's this one, $6, here's $12, here's $1.50 for kids. There's nothing in that. I mean, it's like a little tiny thing. Colgate regular, $5.40. A bar of soap is $1.30, $1.40. 95 cents. How about wash your dishes? $3.90, $3.25, $2.40, $2.40. Crazy. All right, soda. We all drink soda. How about $3.10 for a Coke Zero? Here's regular Coke, $3.10. $3.10 Sprite, $3.10. Water's $2, $2, $2. All of them are $2. Crazy. How about toilet paper? 4 rolls of toilet paper, $6.30. You can get the cheesy ones. There's nothing in that too. $3.50. Paper towels are outrageous. Here's a paper towel, $2.70 per roll, $2.70. Napkins, same thing, $5 for napkins. Crazy. How about milk? A little itty bitty tiny milk, $2.25. I mean, they have smaller milks. You can get a little milk. This is $1.10 for that little tiny thing. Cereal, $5 for that. $2.50 for that. Granola is $4.10. Yeah, crazy. Oh, you're fine. No problem. Gracias, gracias. So, six eggs, $2.10. Okay. You know, we talk about, you know, I do ham and cheese for my breakfast every day. It's $11 for Havarti. Do you see that? $10.99. Havarti, $11. The Gouda is the same thing. $10.99 for Gouda. Crazy. Package of ham. I mean, there's nothing in this ham. There's what, 2 slices, 3 slices? $5. Yeah. Crazy. $6 for this. I don't even know what that is. Yogurt, $2.85. Yeah, that's nuts. Here's yogurt, $1.95. And there's more yogurts down here. $1, and these are the cheap kind, $1.50. You know, if you want better stuff with stuff on top, $2.30. $2.50, $2. I mean, do you get the point here? You do. I get it. I'm sure you do. And then beer. Let's talk about beer. So if you want to, like, I don't know, here's a can, $2.55. This one's $6.30, $5.80. Here's a Corona for $3. A Miller, $2. And they probably have to import these, but their name brand or their stuff is just as crazy. How about Pringles? $5. And these are little cans. You see how my hand fits around that? They're like mini cans, but not the short ones. $4.95. Lay's $3. Anyway, you get the point. Thanks everybody. Bye-bye.